Imagine 223.7 million turkeys. That's a lot of birds. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of poultry farming to discover how these Thanksgiving favorites are raised in the United States. We'll explore the intricacies of their lives, from the moment they hatch to the day they arrive on your dinner table. Picture a vast, sprawling farm, bustling with activity. Thousands of turkeys roam freely in spacious pens, their feathers shimmering in the sunlight. They're surrounded by lush greenery and have plenty of room to stretch their wings and explore. It's a far cry from the cramped conditions that many people associate with factory farming. But don't be fooled by the idyllic image. Behind the scenes, a complex network of systems and processes is working tirelessly to ensure the health, well-being, and productivity of these birds. From the carefully controlled environment of the broiler houses to the specialized diets that nourish them, every aspect of their lives is meticulously planned and monitored. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of turkey farming. We'll learn about the challenges and rewards of raising such a large number of birds, and we'll gain a deeper appreciation for the delicious and nutritious meat that they provide. The broiler house. The journey begins in a broiler house, a large-scale facility specifically designed to provide optimal conditions for turkey growth. These structures are typically constructed with a steel frame and are covered with a durable, insulated material to maintain a controlled environment. Inside, the broiler houses are equipped with a variety of systems to ensure the comfort and well-being of the turkeys. One of the most important aspects of a broiler house is temperature control. Turkeys are sensitive to temperature fluctuations, and it is essential to maintain a consistent temperature throughout the growing period. This is achieved through the use of heating and cooling systems that can be adjusted to meet the specific needs of the turkeys at different stages of their development. In addition to temperature control, humidity levels are also carefully monitored and maintained in broiler houses. Turkeys require a certain level of humidity to ensure their respiratory health and prevent the development of respiratory diseases. To regulate humidity, broiler houses are equipped with ventilation systems that can be adjusted to control the airflow and moisture levels. Lighting is another important factor in broiler house management. Turkeys are photoperiodic animals, which means that their growth and development are influenced by light exposure. By carefully controlling the lighting in broiler houses, poultry farmers can manipulate the turkeys' natural cycles and optimize their growth rates. Broiler houses are also equipped with a variety of other systems, such as feed and water systems, to ensure that the turkeys have access to the resources they need to thrive. The feed and water systems are designed to deliver a consistent supply of food and water to the turkeys throughout the day. This helps to prevent overcrowding and competition for resources, and it ensures that all of the turkeys have the opportunity to eat and drink to their full potential. Overall, broiler houses are highly specialized facilities that are designed to provide turkeys with the ideal environment for growth and development. By carefully controlling the temperature, humidity, lighting, and other environmental factors, poultry farmers can create a healthy and productive environment for their turkeys. Feeding and nutrition. Turkeys, often associated with Thanksgiving feasts in many parts of the world, have a fascinating diet that reflects their omnivorous tendencies. While wild turkeys primarily consume a varied diet that includes seeds, fruits, insects, and small animals, commercial turkey farming adopts a different approach. In captivity, turkeys are generally considered omnivores, feeding on a diet that is carefully formulated to promote optimal growth and health. This specialized diet consists mainly of grains and protein sources, which provide the essential nutrients required for their development. The primary components of a turkey's diet in commercial farming are grains such as corn and soybeans. These grains serve as the primary source of carbohydrates, which are vital for providing energy. Carbohydrates are crucial for turkeys, particularly during periods of rapid growth and high activity levels. In addition to grains, turkeys also consume a range of animal byproducts, including meat meal and blood meal. These protein sources are rich in essential amino acids necessary for building and repairing tissues, which is particularly important as turkeys grow. Alongside carbohydrates and proteins, turkey feed is enriched with essential vitamins and minerals. Calcium, phosphorus, and zinc are among the crucial nutrients included in their diet. Calcium is vital for bone development, phosphorus supports energy metabolism, and zinc plays a role in immune function and overall health. The inclusion of these vitamins and minerals helps ensure that turkeys maintain robust health, reducing the risk of diseases and promoting a well-functioning immune system. The nutritional needs of turkeys change as they age, requiring adjustments to their diet. Young poults, for instance, have higher protein and energy requirements due to their rapid growth and development. They are often fed a starter diet that is specifically designed to meet these increased nutritional demands. As turkeys mature, their diet transitions to grower and finisher feeds, which contain varying protein levels to match their developmental stages and prepare them for market. To optimize the health and growth of their turkeys, poultry farmers collaborate closely with animal nutritionists. These experts formulate feed that meets the specific needs of the birds at different growth stages, ensuring that the nutritional composition is both balanced and high quality. Farmers also monitor feed intake closely, adjusting feeding regimens as necessary to ensure that turkeys receive the right amount of nutrients without overfeeding. This careful management contributes to the overall success of the farming operation. By providing a well-rounded diet that addresses the nutritional needs of turkeys, poultry farmers can help these birds reach their genetic potential while producing high-quality meat. The careful attention given to their diet not only enhances the growth and health of the birds, but also ensures the production of nutritious and flavorful turkey meat, making it a staple in households and culinary traditions around the world. Health and welfare. Poultry farmers prioritize the health and welfare of their turkeys, ensuring they live comfortable and healthy lives. Regular veterinary checks, biosecurity measures, and vaccination programs are essential components of this commitment. Veterinarians play a crucial role in monitoring the health of the turkey flock. They conduct regular inspections to identify and address any potential health issues early on. This proactive approach helps prevent the spread of diseases and ensures the overall well-being of the turkeys. Biosecurity measures are also implemented to protect the turkeys from external threats. These measures include strict sanitation practices, controlled access to the farm, and the use of disinfectants to eliminate pathogens. By maintaining a clean and secure environment, poultry farmers can minimize the risk of disease outbreaks and protect their flocks. Vaccination programs are another important aspect of turkey health and welfare. Vaccines help prevent a variety of diseases, such as Newcastle disease, infectious bronchitis, and avian influenza. By vaccinating their turkeys, poultry farmers can protect them from these diseases and ensure their overall health and productivity. In addition to these measures, poultry farmers also strive to provide a comfortable and stress-free environment for their turkeys. This includes providing adequate space, proper ventilation, and comfortable bedding. By creating a positive living environment, poultry farmers can help reduce stress levels and improve the overall well-being of their flocks. Processing and packaging. Once turkeys reach their optimal weight and age, They are carefully transported to processing plants, where a series of meticulous steps are taken to ensure the meat is safe, wholesome, and of the highest quality. The process begins with humane handling. Turkeys are transported in calm and stress-free conditions, ensuring their well-being throughout the journey. Upon arrival, they are stunned using a humane method to render them unconscious before slaughter. This ensures that the turkeys do not experience any pain or suffering during the process. Slaughter is carried out with precision and care. The turkeys are bled out quickly and efficiently, ensuring a painless and humane end. The carcasses are then eviscerated, removing the internal organs while taking great care to maintain the integrity of the meat. This step is crucial to prevent contamination and ensure the safety of the meat. To ensure food safety, the carcasses undergo a thorough washing and inspection. They are rinsed with clean water to remove any residual blood or debris. Government inspectors meticulously examine each carcass, ensuring it meets rigorous standards for quality and safety. This includes checking for any signs of disease or defects that could compromise the safety of the meat. To maintain freshness and prevent spoilage, the turkeys are immediately chilled. This process involves rapidly cooling the carcasses to a temperature below 40 degrees Celsius, inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. Chilling is essential for preserving the quality and safety of the meat and ensuring that it reaches consumers in optimal condition. Finally, the turkeys are packaged according to various consumer preferences. They may be packaged whole, in parts, or as ground meat. The packaging process is designed to preserve freshness, protect the meat from damage, and ensure it reaches consumers in optimal condition. The packaging materials are carefully selected to maintain the quality and safety of the meat and to prevent contamination. Throughout the entire processing and packaging process, strict sanitary measures are implemented to maintain food safety and prevent contamination. Modern processing plants utilize advanced technologies and equipment to ensure efficiency and quality control. This includes the use of automated systems for washing, inspection, and packaging, as well as rigorous sanitation protocols to prevent the spread of bacteria and other pathogens. From the sprawling fields where they roam to the bustling processing plants that prepare them for our tables, turkeys have a remarkable journey. It's a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of farmers, veterinarians, and scientists who work tirelessly to ensure these birds are raised humanely and sustainably. By understanding the intricacies of turkey farming, we can appreciate the complex systems and processes that go into producing the delicious and nutritious meat we enjoy. So, the next time you savor a turkey dinner, take a moment to reflect on the journey it took to reach your plate. Ready to dive deeper into the world of turkey farming? Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends to spread awareness about responsible food production.